Okay, here's a couple of good questions. They say a solution has a pOH of 1.728. So to find the pH, you could just go 14 minus the pOH, or 14 minus 1.728. And so if you subtract those, I think you do get 12.272, which is what you got there, doing it a different way, which works too. Okay, to get the hydroxide perfect, here in the pOH, there's 3 sig figs. You just count the decimal places. So in your answer, you gave me 3 sig figs, perfect. Here, you'd need to give me 3 sig figs, and you gave me 4. So it should be 5.35 times 10 to the minus 13th. And then this one was correct there, not that one. Okay, good. And then on this last question, they give you 5 grams of sodium hydroxide in 4 liters. So first find moles of sodium hydroxide. Good. Then let's find the concentration of sodium hydroxide. So that'd be your moles divided by your volume, which is 4. So that'll come out to 0.03, let me think here, 1, 2, 5, I think, moles per liter. That's liters. I should have kept the 4.00 there. Okay, so that gives me moles of sodium hydroxide. But they're asking for the pOH and the pH. So I should really write out a dissociation equation. If you dissociate sodium hydroxide, you get sodium ions and you get hydroxide ions. But the key thing here is that the ratio is 1 to 1 to 1. So one of these gives me one of those. So that means that the concentration of sodium hydroxide is the same as the concentration of hydroxide ions. So then to find the pOH, I can just go 10 to the negative whatever the hydroxide ion concentration is, which is that. So 10 to the negative 0.03125, come up with that number. And then once you have that, to find the pH, just subtract whatever you got there from 14, and that'll give you your pH. All right, hopefully that helps you with those 2 questions.